Okay, points A, B, and C line a circle of a radius of 4 centimeters, so that AB is a diameter and AC is 6 centimeters. So I'll just quickly make that, just very roughly. And that is there. We've got A, we've got B, because AB is a diameter. And because it's 4 centimeters, the diameter is going to have to be 8 centimeters. And AC is going to be 6 centimeters, so maybe C over here, C over there. Determine the exact area. It's a right angle triangle because that angle has been subtended by the points on the diameter. So therefore AB equals 8, AC equals 6. You're just going to have, and we'll just call this one on over here, a length of x. You're going to have 8 squared. Well, actually, exact area of the triangle. So I will have to continue getting this base. So I've got to get 8 squared equals 6 squared plus x squared. So that's going to get you 64 equals 36 plus x squared. Take the 2, you get 28 equals x squared, and therefore x will be equal to square root 28. Hopefully we know that we can change that into root 4 times root 7. I picked root 4 because that's a square number. It's the biggest square number that will be a factor of 28, and then therefore that will be equals to root 7. Okay, so 2 root 7 is x, and that's the length of the base. To get an area of a triangle, it's half base times height, and our height is 6. Sorry for not writing that earlier. So it's going to be half 2 root 7 times 6, and half of 2 is just 1, so it's just going to be root 7 times 6. So it's going to be 6 root 7 centimeters squared. That's my area of my triangle. So that's all we do for that one. For this one, a secant meets a circle at points A and B, where AB equals 6 centimeters. A tangent to the same circle at point D intersects the secant at point C, where CD equals 21 centimeters. Given that BC is less than AC, determine the exact distance AC and the exact distance BC. So to do that, we'll draw our circle with our lines and tangents. Okay, the first thing that we're going to do CD squared equals CB times CA. CD squared equals CB times CA. Now, we don't know what CB or CA are, but we do, well, not properly numerically, but we can still represent them, and we've only got the one unknown, and when you've got one unknown within one equation line, you can solve for that unknown. So we just proceed to do the maths there. So it's going to be 21 squared equals CB is x, and CA is going to be, from C to A, it's going to be x plus 6. So that ends up getting you 441 equals x squared plus 6x. And then you can end up solving for that one. You end up using quadratic formula, I guess, to end up solving this one. So you end up getting x squared plus 6x minus 441 equals 0. I'll just do my quadratic working out. So this is what you end up getting, and given that it does say that BC is less than AC, given that this is what you'd end up solving for x, you'd have to pick the smaller one to be BC. So this is what BC would be. And then AC would be 6 bigger than that. So it would be 3 plus 15 root 2. I'll just get rid of this one. And try to get rid of one. So one of them's minus 3 plus, the other one's just 3 plus. So there's that 6 difference. So yes, that's how you'd end up solving for that one. I will just put how I would have simplified the surd in blue on the side here, just in case your calculator wasn't capable. And there's my working out there. You could simplify it in other ways to get to that point. I just thought it was a pretty easy way to realize that 1800 is going to be divisible by 100, hence 10 squared. So yeah, that's how you end up solving these questions.